Welcome back to another fantastic episode of the series of videos coming from Axel Designs. In this video, we'll be teaching ourselves how to make a logo animation, be it your 2D or 3D logo. And the app we'll be using is just your browser. Just use your browser, and I'll be using my Chrome because it's recommended to use a very powerful browser. And in your search engine, just type in renderforest.com, then you search for it. It will bring you this page, then you click on get started. After that, it will bring video, logo. What do you want to create? Is it a video, a logo, a mockup, a website? Just click on your video because you want to create an animation, and from there you would have some. These are some of the animations. The clean line style logo. Let's just check. You can press here to check how it looks like. Just wait. Then you press on this play icon. So that's that. Then you can pick. You can just scroll down and you pick from. So you can just scroll down. You pick from some other varieties of animations. You can pick this also, render forest. Just check. Then you click on play. So this is it. Just click on here to exit. So if you like that, you can use that also. But in this video of mine, I want to use this. You can just scroll up, quick logo animation. So this is a quick logo animation, and we have the solid logo. Let's look at the solid logo. You have to wait for it to load. Click on it. So that's the solid logo, but I don't really like it. You can choose the blazing cube logo also, anyone you like. But let me just pick this. I think I like this, the quick logo animation. Let's check. So just since that's what I want to use here in this video, just click on create now. It will take you to another page where you will be able to edit your logo. Click on create now also. Then it will take you to a page to edit your logo. So your logo here, just click on it and you upload your logo if you've already designed it, and you choose from your gallery. And this is what I want to pick. This is a picture I want to pick. So that's it, and you can click on fill. Do you want to make it's already filled, and do you want to fit it? That's fit. But this fill, and you can increase the scale if you want to increase the scale. Yeah, but I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Then just click on done. Yeah, downward. And here you type in your tagline. What do you want to use as mine? Empowering the masses. That's my tagline. Then you click on save and you close. So just wait for it to save. So this is how it would be. This is how your your animation would be. Just click on the next one to choose from the varieties of animation. Do you want to choose this or which one? So I think I like the first one. Let me just continue. Then you click on this one if you are contented with that one. The color. Which color do you want to choose? Is it this one or is it this? That's the initial one. So you can pick from some of these colors here. But these are other ones. And I think I should, but let me choose this and let's see. So this is how it is. I think it's okay like this, and okay. So let me just close. It's okay like that. Then you can click on this to add your music. What's the music you want to use? You click on add music here to add. Then you have some music here. So you can just use anyone you want to use. Let me check the harmony. So let me choose this. But one must be mindful of the sound we choose so that you won't choose the music wrong. So I've already chosen that. And here, click on this to download your, and if you want to add your own watermark on the video, just press here. But it says agency subscribers only. So from here you can just write the free preview. Just click on it, but those one below it, they are monetary. Just wait for the video to load and you wait for it to export. So your video is already ready, your animation is already ready, and you click here to download. It's already downloading. So and it has already downloaded. You can open it. Let's open and let's see what we did. So have you seen it? That's what we did. And it depends on you. You can choose among the varieties of animations that is available, but I'm choosing this. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment if any, to subscribe if you haven't, and to share for family and friends. I remain Axod. Thank you.